We are done. Oh my god. Hey my loves. This is a very exciting video because I have this delicious food right here. Me and my mother made it. I am so hyped, guys. Like, I've been wanting this food since October. Okay, let's just clear that. And I just got some sauce right here. ASMR. And ginger ale, some ice. If you guys are wondering. This lovely platter is crab legs, potatoes, turkey sausage, corn, crab meat, and shrimp, and a lemon. And my mouth is watering, okay? Let me just sprinkle a little bit on. What I want to eat first, potato, because I love them. Wow. So, I just want to tell you guys a little update. You guys know I got engaged. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm so sorry, guys. But so you guys know I got engaged. I'm finally. Oh my god, I just got some on my sweatshirt. But I'm finally about to go and look at the venues. So, I can't even eat and talk. But I'm gonna go look at the venues. I'm gonna go look at 2 spots tomorrow. I'm kind of last minute. Like, everybody's like, when are you gonna look at your wedding days? When are you getting married? Da, 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 da. I'm like, can I breathe for 5 seconds? Can I just breathe for 5 seconds? Like, literally, the same week I got engaged, people were like, when's the wedding? And I'm like, bro, I just got engaged. Like, only people who like plan to get married, like, not saying I don't plan to get married, but only the people who like, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it, but only the people who like, yeah, plan basically. Like, this was a shock to me. So I'm that girl. I'm like, I don't know. So, but yeah, I'm finally getting on the ball. I called a few places today, and some of them are closed, so I know I'm gonna get a whole bunch of places calling me in the morning. So one guy thought I was saying that I was looking for it, because I'm planning to aim for September. There's a lot of meaning in September for me. Or even August. I could do August too. But it's a lot of meaning to me. Well, I almost forgot my, like, it's so much going on that I be forgetting about stuff. I almost forgot my corn. But yeah, like, I forgot what I was about to say. But like, one guy was like, oh, like, he's like, oh, so when do you plan to get married? And I'm like, September. He's like, oh, I don't think we have that open. And I'm like, not this year. He's like, oh. So if you are getting married, like, just keep in mind that wow, I haven't ate crab legs in so long. Did I lose my touch? Like, what's going on? But just keep in mind that if you want to get married like the same year, it will be like same year you get proposed to, or like that next year, you have to immediately start looking for venues, because you got to think about it. There's so many weddings happening, so many dates people want, and you know, you got to start early. So it's 2019. I don't want my wedding until 2020, but it's good to start now because so many people are aiming for the same day. You gotta keep in mind that, you know, you really have to keep that in mind, and you have to you're gonna have to really start looking. So that's where I'm at now. So me and Babe are gonna go look 2 places tomorrow, and maybe some more next week, or maybe even more tomorrow. People call me back. I left a lot of messages today. I called around like 4, and I'm thinking maybe they were closed. So I can't wait. Like, I am getting a little excited, like, but I think now that I know I'm starting to go look at venues, that like, okay, now I'm like, alright, it's crunch time. It's getting real. So I mean, I don't even have, I think I have an idea of like what I want the I keep forgetting my lemon, like it's so much going on. Wow, I love potatoes, like especially whole. Like, I love potatoes. This is like my favorite. But I think I have an idea of what I want like my colors to be, and like some sort of decoration. I don't know everything, but like there's so many girls who like know so much about their wedding and their color and all this stuff, and I just wasn't that type of girl that daydream about my wedding. Like, I don't know. Of course I want to be married, but I guess my focus wasn't on like just being married, you know, like, you get what I'm saying? It's like so this sauce is amazing. So I already know, like, he's gonna be like, you pick. But I want to have some input, and you know, it's gonna be very nice. Like, all my friends are waiting, like, did you start playing them? They're also happy for me, and they're excited, so that makes me excited. So yeah, I already know, like, I'm like, okay, so how would I have my hair? Like, when I'm picturing me, walking down the aisle, I'm picturing like my hair up, but that could change. I'm a Libra, and I'm very indecisive. So what I plan right now, September, that's another thing. By September, I can be like, I do not want that anymore. Like, I hate that. Like, I'm so indecisive. But I know I have a lot of help. I have such an amazing support system. So I now have nothing to worry about. Now it's about planning. Where's your venue? I'm gonna pick a venue soon. You know, I'm gonna have your hair. I think I want it up. Colors. I'm not gonna say, but I think I have like an idea between two colors. So, that's exciting. But it's so funny. Like, I seen a post, like, it was like, when you get married, what is your venue? How many bridesmaids? And I'm just like, wow. Like, I get asked this like every week. So, I'm like very excited. Day one, I'm looking at venues. I never started. I see in some places online. Now it's all about going and see if you like it. I don't know. Just gonna see. So, I do want to do a engagement shoot. So we still didn't. I want to do that. I'm thinking like in the spring. So I want to wear like a green dress. So I have to like find a green dress. And my boyfriend has a, well, my fiance, he has like a lot of styles. So I already know the outfits for our engagement will be fire. So I gotta tell him about that though. That I wanna do a shoot. Yeah, so like it's so funny how we got engaged. Like, my friends went on vacation and I was gonna go, and my fiance, he been told me about this you know, baseball game. You know, we're gonna go to a baseball game this day, blah blah blah. Alright, cool. And I did tell him, I was like, oh, my friends are going to they're going on vacation. And he's like, alright, like, Kasim, that's my fiance's name. He's never the type to be like, you can't go. No, like, we have a very understanding, like, if we want to go out, you know, like, it's nothing, you know, like, we're not, like, hard on each other like that. So, he didn't even be like, oh, like, we gotta have baseball go to and get mad. He was just like, okay, like, if you want to go, go. This whole time, he was planning this for like 3 months, so, or maybe even more. So it just shows me like how he wasn't even like tripping, you know. he was like, oh, go, like, you know, if you want to go, you know, go. Like, he wasn't stopping me from going. And I was just like, wow, like, imagine if I would have went. Then what would have been the plan? Like, that was perfect. So, yeah, went to the game. It was a 3-hour delay, guys. Oh my god. It almost didn't happen. Like, this is a good story for us for like, it almost didn't happen because it rained. It rained, and when it rains, the baseball players cannot play baseball, okay? They can't play. So I wasn't even tripping. I was just like, alright, whatever, like, we're just waiting. We're waiting until the rain clears up. Meanwhile, I don't know how he was feeling. He was so calm. So, he was so calm that I didn't know what was going on. I was just like, whatever, like, can you just give me some food while I wait because I'm hungry? So he fed me and everything. My whole family was on the other side of the stadium. And they were getting anxious because already 3-hour delay or 2-hour delay passed by. And what's going on? Okay, so now they're like freaking out, like, okay, let's play B. And Kasem was just so calm. And it was so funny, like, after he proposed, and I was like, that's why you were acting like that, and that's why you were acting like that. Like, for example, one time his wallet fell out of his shorts. So I went to go pick it up. This guy jumped so fast because I like almost felt the ring. This guy jumped so fast, and I'm like, why he acting like that? Why he pushing my hand away like that? Whole time a ring is in there. He had a hat. He had she said yes on the back of his hat. And people were like, how you didn't see that? And I'm like, I'm short. He's 6'4". I'm 5'1". Like, I'm not gonna see that unless like I'm staring at him, looking at the back of his head or something. I'm not gonna see that. So that was just so funny and cute. Like, I'm like, so what was plan B? He's like, I was so shocked. Didn't know what was going on. He didn't want to. We had the first pitch, and he didn't want to throw the ball. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Like, because he's like more shy. So I'm like, all right, he probably just got shy and didn't want to throw the ball. Cool, whatever. If you guys see that video, you can see this whole part right here. I'm like, throw the ball. Like, why are you not throwing the ball? He's like, no, you throw the ball. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Even like the girl who like helped him out, they were like, she's like, no, like, you got this. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So I was just like, all right, I'm gonna throw it. Cool. So I throw it. I turn around. And I'm like, what is he doing? Because he was supposed to be holding my camera. And I see the camera's like on his neck. And I'm like, what are you doing? And I look down by the camera. And I see this lovely ring. And I'm like, instant crybaby, yo. Like, I always wondered like how he would do it, blah, 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 you know. And he had my family there. And I was just like, wow, like, look at you. Well, everybody thinks that proposal was so cute. How did he do it? How did he do it at the stadium? And I'm like, exactly. But I'm excited to start planning. When I'm looking at stuff, one. Planning looks so overwhelming. But I know I have help, I have support. So I'm excited. I'm excited to plan. And it's gonna be one for the books. So I am full, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I'm full over here. I did put a dent in this food, so don't even try to comfort me. So this is gonna be popping tomorrow. Them leftovers. So look at me saying I'm done and I'm still eating. Who else does that? Comment down below. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because your girl is full. Oof. This like hit the spot. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. My first mukbang. Woo! First mukbang. I've been dying to do one of these, and especially with seafood because I've been craving seafood the past few months. So if you guys would love to see more mukbangs, more topics, please let me know. This is a very different video for me. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, my loves.